I'm going to show you the best trick to understanding percents. Alright, so we can see this question here asking us for 6% of 700. Well, first we need to think of the word percent, which can be broken up into two words, per, meaning for each, and cent, meaning 100. So a percent is literally something for each 100. And here we have 6%, so there's going to be 6 for each 100. And there's 7 hundredths, so all we have to do is 6 times 7. We get 42, meaning our answer has to be C.
How to calculate quick percentages. Let's go. So, what is 7% of 300? Well, in order to do this, we have to know what percent means, so let's break this word up. So, per and cent. So, what does per mean? Per means for each. And cent is a Latin root word that actually means 100. So, in the word percent, it literally means for each 100. And now, how many hundreds do I have? I have 1, 2, 3 100s, where this is 100, this is 100, and this is 100. That makes up 300. And now how many are there in each 100? 7. So I have 7 in here, 7 in here, 7 in here, and all I have to do is just add that up, and that equals 7 plus 7 plus 7, which is 21. So 7% of 300 is 21.
Here's how you can solve complex percents without using your calculator. Let's go. Alright, so here we have a question asking for 21% of 3,142. Now, at first it might seem really hard, but actually we can solve it in just 3 simple steps. Our first step is to find 10% and 1% of our number. So 10% of 3,142, to find that, we just move the decimal 1 place over. So we get 314.2. And 1%, you just move it 1 over from the 10%, so we get 31.42 as a 1%. Next, you're going to use these 10% and 1% to make our percent we're trying to find. So 21% is made of 2 10% on 1%. So we do 2 times the 10%, we get 628.4. And then we just add the 1%, so we add 31.42. We get 659.82 as our answer.